Hello there. It is day 22 of March Car Seat Madness. And you know what? I'm tired, but you know who's never tired of keeping your kids safe? Britax. Do you see what I did there? Britax, if you think of the two words, British accessories, Britax, that's where their name came from. Britax is a wonderful car seat company. They also make strollers. I have one of their new car seats down here, and today we're going to talk about the Willow S. Now, if you want to rewind 10 years ago, that's when Britax first launched ClickTight technology. It was in a forward-facing harness to booster first, then it went into their convertible seats. Now they have it in an infant seat. So we're going to go over here, we're going to play with it, I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to lay down. Here we have the base of the Willow. You can see there's an anti-rebound bar, lots of labels for your reading enjoyment, and this is the ClickTight mechanism. Now it is a little bit different than other seats. I'll show you in a second. Now the other ClickTights, they have this panel that you raise up for access. On the Willow, it is like a squeeze handle that you twist and pull up. For sake of time, I've already threaded the seatbelt through and under and buckled it in. And this one you leave a little bit of slack, but then you slam that down. It's pretty easy. It's hard to navigate with just one hand holding a phone. And then you test here at the belt path again, and you can see that is very tight. A+. The seat itself is suitable from 4 to 30 pounds or 32 inches or until the baby's head is 1 inch below the top of the shell. It is safe wash fabric. You can throw it in the washer. It's really terrific, and it weighs about 9.5 pounds with the optional infant insert in it. So it's not super lightweight, but it is not heavy, and it is a really nice install without the base. So let's go have a look at that right now. So here it is with baseless install. It does have the European belt route there on the back for the shoulder belt. You know that's a big feature to me, big fan. And you can leave the handle in any locked position. It is FAA approved, has safe cell technology in the seat itself, which functions like a crumple zone. And in case you forget, here's that carry handle sticker. We love to see it. You can also get this as part of their Willow S travel system, which is great. Or if you want to put it on a different stroller, it will work with European style adapters. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Day 22 over and out.